Did you know that increased resistance to antimicrobials could potentially lead to a mental health condition? Hello, my name is Kwame Sewisu. I am a pharmacist and a health content creator, and this video is about to take us on a journey on how your actions and my actions could potentially be putting patients' health at risk and how we could together fight against such actions. Antimicrobial resistance is a broad term that is being used to describe resistance to medications which are being designed for treating infections caused by microbes such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasites. How can your actions be contributing to antimicrobial resistance? By 1, not completing your antimicrobial dose when being prescribed, such as antivirals or antibiotics. 2, taking antivirals or antibiotics or antimalarials which has not been prescribed by a healthcare professional. This could potentially lead to antimicrobial resistance. 3, by not washing your hands frequently. This ends up actually causing the spread of microbes such as fungi, such as viral, such as bacterial. So it's really important that we end up washing our hands frequently to prevent the spread of microbes. 2, ensuring that we complete antibiotic or antiviral doses when being prescribed by a healthcare professional. As a 2015 research conducted by WHO shows that only 32% of patients being prescribed antibiotics or antivirals tend to end up completing these doses because they ended up actually feeling better. That is a wrong misconception. You are supposed to complete it when you have actually ended up being prescribed. The number of days and the doses which are being given is what you have to take. You shouldn't take less than that. You shouldn't take more than that. We are being encouraged to end up engaging in the flu vaccination so that our immune system is actually being boosted to end up minimizing the risk of spreading any form of flu infection that we may end up developing. Also, ensure that you are not using antibacterials for treating flu infection because antibacterials or antibiotics, as we may say it, is being used to treat bacterial infection, not viral infection. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.